English Flow Podcast.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Flow Podcast. I'm Rebecca.
And I'm James.
So, quick question for you. Have you ever come back from a trip and someone asks, "So, how was your trip?"
And all you can say is, good?
Exactly. You know that one awkward moment when you want to say so much, but your brain just freezes?
Yeah, like your mind goes completely blank. Good. That's it.
Well, today we're going beyond basic. We're going to help you sound more natural, more confident, and more expressive when talking about travel and your experiences.
You'll learn useful phrases, emotional expressions, and storytelling tricks. So next time someone asks, "How was your trip?" you won't panic. You'll actually enjoy answering it.
And who knows, you might even inspire someone to travel too.
Let's unpack your journeys together.
Okay, so let's start with the basics. What are the most common questions people ask about travel?
Number 1, where did you go? Number 2, what was the highlight of your trip? And number 3, would you go back?
Yes, those three always come up. Let's practice them naturally.
Sure. So imagine you asked me, where did you go?
All right, James. Where did you go on your last trip?
I went to Japan, Tokyo, Kyoto, and a little town called Nara. It was breathtaking.
Oh, I love that word. Breathtaking. It's so vivid. You can also say incredible, unforgettable, challenging, eye-opening.
Exactly. Try to choose adjectives that describe your feelings, not just the place. Like, instead of saying, Japan was nice, you could say, Japan was eye-opening. The culture really made me think differently.
Yes. And if you want to express emotions, try these. I was blown away by. It really made me think. I'll never forget the moment when.
These phrases help you connect your story with emotion, because travel isn't just about places, it's about how you felt there.
Exactly. The best travel stories come from the heart.
Okay, let's get practical. When someone asks you about your trip, don't just say, "It was nice." Give details. Talk about the food, the culture, the people, the funny or even the awkward experiences. That's what makes your story come alive.
Yes, let's model that right now. I'll go first.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me your story, world traveler.
So, last summer, I went to Thailand. And honestly, it was one of the most magical trips I've ever had. The energy, the smell of street food, the sound of motorbikes and laughter in the streets, it all felt so alive.
Hmm, Sounds amazing already. What stood out the most?
Definitely the street food in Bangkok. I still remember standing under this bright neon light, holding a plate of pad see ew. It's these stir-fried noodles with a smoky flavor that just hits you the second you take a bite. There was this sweet soy sauce smell in the air, and locals were eating right next to me, chatting and laughing.
My mouth's watering already. Did you try anything, unusual?
Oh my gosh, yes. I tried fried crickets. I remember holding one in my hand, staring at it for like 5 minutes, whispering to myself, "Okay, Rebecca, be brave. You can do this."
No way. And how was it? Tell me the truth.
It was crispy, like salty popcorn, but way crunchier. The taste wasn't bad, but my brain was screaming, "You're eating a bug."
That's such a great story. See, instead of just saying, I tried local food, you painted the picture. You described the smell, the sound, your reaction. Now I feel like I was right there beside you.
Exactly. When you share those small sensory details, you help your listener travel with you. It makes your story more personal and unforgettable.
Totally. I think that's what makes a story powerful. It's not just the big events, it's the tiny moments that stick with you.
Yeah, the little things you don't plan, but end up remembering the most.
Speaking of unexpected moments, I remember once I almost missed my flight in Rome.
Oh no, what happened?
Okay, picture this. I was at this cozy cafe near the Colosseum, sitting outside with a perfect espresso, feeling all Italian, you know? Sun shining, people chatting in the background. I was completely relaxed.
Let me guess. Too relaxed.
Exactly. I looked at my phone and suddenly realized my flight was in 1 hour. I froze. Then I just jumped up, threw a few euros on the table, and started running. Literally sprinting through the streets like a maniac tourist.
Oh my God. That's such a classic travel panic moment.
I was sweating, panicking, shouting, "Taxi! Taxi!" But of course, there were none. It felt like a movie chase scene.
Did you make it?
Barely. I ran through the airport gate just in time. My hair was a mess, my heart was racing, but I made it.
That's hilarious. But hey, at least it's a great story now.
Exactly. That's the beauty of travel. Even the stressful or embarrassing moments turn into memories you laugh about later.
Yeah. It's like every mistake or crazy moment adds personality to your story. And those details, the smells, the emotions, the surprises, that's what people remember when they listen to you.
Absolutely. So, next time you share your travel experiences, remember, don't just say where you went, show what it felt like. Let your listener see, hear, and taste your journey.
Exactly. Because That's how travel stories stop being just information and become inspiration.
Beautifully said, Rebecca. Now I'm officially craving noodles and an adventure.
Same here. Maybe we should plan our next trip for research, of course.
Purely educational purposes.
All right, travelers and dreamers, now it's your turn. Let's make this interactive. We've shared our stories. Now we want to hear yours.
Exactly. Let's do a little role play together. Imagine this. You just came back from a trip. Your friends are curious, and they start asking you questions. What do you say?
Don't worry about being perfect. The goal here is to speak naturally, to enjoy expressing yourself. Think of it as your travel storytelling moment.
Okay, ready? Let's go through a few questions. You can even pause the episode and answer out loud. Yes, actually speak. Question 1. Where did you go? Was it somewhere warm, cold, relaxing, or full of adventure? Question 2. What was the highlight of your trip? Think about that one special moment that made you smile or took your breath away. And question 3. What was the most surprising thing you saw or did? Maybe it was something funny, unexpected, or even a little shocking.
Great job. Seriously, if you tried speaking out loud, that's already amazing progress. Every time you practice, you build confidence. Now, let's give you some ideas for how you could answer. You can say things like, I went to Spain last summer. The people were so friendly. The most surprising thing was how late everyone eats dinner. I was blown away by the sunset over the ocean. It felt magical.
Beautiful examples, Rebecca. And remember, when you're having real conversations with people, don't just answer questions, ask them back. That's how you make it a real exchange.
Exactly. You can say things like, would you go back? What made it special for you? Did anything unexpected happen?
These follow-up questions show curiosity, and that's what keeps a conversation alive.
Yes. And it makes people feel that you care about their stories. That's the heart of natural conversation. Connection.
So whether you're talking about your last trip or your dream destination, remember, your goal isn't to be perfect. It's to share a little piece of your world.
And the more you practice speaking out loud, even when you're alone, the more confident and fluent you'll become.
So go ahead, replay this part, answer again, try different countries, new experiences, and have fun with it.
Yes, because learning English should never be boring. It should feel like an adventure.
Exactly. So, where to next, traveler?
Maybe somewhere with sunshine and good food.
Always.
Well done, everyone. Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, your stories are worth sharing.
So, what have we learned today?
Quite a lot, actually. Number 1, go beyond simple words like good or nice. Use adjectives that really express how you felt, like breathtaking, peaceful, or chaotic but fun.
Right. Words have color. They paint the picture. And number 2, share details. Mention the food, the people, Even the little funny stories that happened. Those make your story alive.
Exactly. Like that time you got lost in Rome and ended up at a random cafe with the best tiramisu ever.
Oh, yes, a happy accident. See, that's the kind of story people remember.
Number 3, use emotion and storytelling. Don't just describe the trip, relive it. Let the listener feel what you felt. Were you nervous? Excited? Exhausted but amazed? Bring them with you through your words.
And number 4, practice. Always practice. Speak out loud. Record yourself. Tell a friend about your last trip using today's phrases. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes.
Yes, practice makes progress, not perfection.
Talking about travel makes me want a vacation now.
Same here. I'm already imagining myself lying on a beach somewhere with coconut water in my hand.
Just don't forget to bring your microphone. We've got more podcasts to record.
Okay, deal. I'll record from the beach. Hello, listeners, live from paradise.
That actually sounds amazing.
You know, the best part about learning English this way is that you can use it anywhere. When you travel, when you meet new people, or even when you talk to yourself while remembering your adventures.
Absolutely. So, listeners, what about you? We'd love to hear your stories. Share your recent travel memory in the comments. Tell us, where did you go? What surprised you the most? What did you feel?
And remember, your journey doesn't end here. Every conversation you have is another adventure, another chance to grow.
Keep exploring, keep speaking, and keep enjoying the ride.
And don't forget to subscribe for more real English conversations, travel stories, and speaking tips to make your English truly alive.
See you next time, and safe travels.